अस्सलामुअलैकुम, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज के वीडियो में स्टडी करते हैं शेल्स, सब शेल एंड ऑर्बिटल। शेल्स रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय प्रिंसिपल क्वांटम नंबर n। शेल्स क्या होते हैं? द फिक्स सर्कुलर पाथ अराउंड द न्यूक्लियस वेयर इलेक्ट्रॉन रिवॉल्व कंटिन्यूअसली आर कॉल्ड शेल्स। आर एनर्जी लेवल आर ऑर्बिट। डिफरेंट सर्कुलर path around the nucleus contain different shell number. Like for first shell n is equal to 1 and first shell is called K shell. For second shell n is equal to 2 and second shell is called L shell. For third shell n is equal to 3 and third shell is called M shell. For fourth shell n is equal to 4 and fourth shell is called N shell. Here you can see different circular path around the nucleus contain different shell number. Here a formula to find the number of electron in shell 2n का square and represent number of shell. Question: find the number of electron in L shell. For L shell n is equal to 2. फॉर्मूले में n की वैल्यू पुट करते हैं. So the number of electron in L shell is 8. Option B is the correct option. Next, sub shell are sub energy level. Each shell consists of one or more sub shell. Means sub shell present within the main shell. There are 4 sub shell S, P, D and F. First shell K shell contain one sub shell 1s. 1 represent that it belong to first shell K shell. Second shell L shell contain 2 sub shell 2s 2p. 2 represent that it belong to second shell L shell. Third shell M shell contain 3 sub shell 3s 3p 3d. Fourth shell N shell contain 4 sub shell 4s 4p 4d 4f. Now you can see sub shell S, P, D and F are present within the main shell K, L, M and N. Now here a question: is 3s and 4p sub shell same or different? So the answer is 3s is the S sub shell of third shell M shell and 4p is the P sub shell of fourth shell N shell. So we can say 3s and 4p sub shell are different. Next, here a formula to find the number of electron in sub shell 2 2l plus 1. For S sub shell L is equal to 0. For P sub shell L is equal to 1. For D sub shell L is equal to 2. For F sub shell L is equal to 3. Here a question: find the number of electron in D sub shell. For D sub shell L is equal to 2. फॉर्मूले में L की वैल्यू पुट करते हैं. So the number of electron in D sub shell is 10. Option C is the correct option. Next, orbitals, the three-dimensional region around the nucleus where probability of finding of electrons are maximum are called orbitals. Look at the below diagram. As we all know, electron revolve around the nucleus, but to find the position or location of electron, look at the second diagram. The space around the nucleus in XYZ direction is three-dimensional where the probability of finding of electron is maximum. This is called orbital. Next, here a formula to find the number of orbitals in each subshell 2l plus 1. Question: find the number of orbital in D subshell. For D subshell L is equal to 2. फॉर्मूले में L की वैल्यू पुट करते हैं. So the number of orbital in D subshell is 5. Option C is the correct option. At the end, summary of today's lecture is: each shell contain different subshell and each subshell contain different orbitals where electron revolve. Like first shell K shell contain one subshell 1s. S subshell contain one orbital where electron revolve. I hope this video would help you a lot. If you like this video, hit the like and subscribe bell icon and write your question in the comment section.